Welcome back, Brainy Bytes Squad. Before we dive into the fascinating world of genetic engineering, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join Brainy Bytes. Right now, where science meets curiosity, scientists are rewriting the code of life. What they just discovered will blow your mind. Imagine editing life like a Word document, deleting disease-causing genes, inserting traits like drought resistance, or even designing custom babies. Sounds like science fiction? Welcome to the world of genetic engineering, where the boundaries between natural and artificial life are becoming shockingly blurry. What is genetic engineering? Genetic engineering is the direct manipulation of an organism's DNA using biotechnology. It allows scientists to change the genetic makeup of cells, including the transfer of genes within and across species. Unlike traditional breeding, which is slow and unpredictable, genetic engineering is precise, fast, and targeted. According to a review article in Nature Reviews Genetics, 2020, tools like CRISPR-Cas9 have revolutionized gene editing by making it easy, accurate, and cost-effective. This method works like molecular scissors, cutting DNA at specific points so that desired genes can be removed or inserted. They said it was impossible, but genetic engineering just changed everything, and you're already affected. You might think genetic engineering is some far-off, futuristic concept. Think again. It's already here, it's already real, and it's already reshaping life as we know it. Here are mind-blowing real-world achievements of genetic engineering that actually happen, not theories, not dreams, but scientific milestones you won't believe. 1. Insulin was one of the first game changers. Back in the 1980s, scientists genetically modified E. coli bacteria to produce human insulin, saving millions of diabetics. This was the first commercial success of genetic engineering, and it's still in use today. Cell 2018. E2. CRISPR saved a girl's life. In 2020, a young girl with sickle cell anemia received CRISPR-based gene therapy, and her condition vanished. This marked the beginning of personalized cures using gene editing. NEJM 2020. 3. Glowing animals exist, and they're real. Scientists have created fluorescent pigs, mice, cats, and even monkeys by inserting jellyfish genes into their DNA. This isn't for fun, it's used for tracking cells in biomedical research. Nature Biotechnology 2014. 4. Super crops that defy nature. Thanks to genetic engineering, rice can survive floods. Science 2006. Corn resists pests without pesticides. Nature 2013. Tomatoes have longer shelf lives and more nutrients. These GMO crops now feed over 70% of the global population. 5. Mosquitoes engineered to wipe out malaria. In 2021, scientists released genetically modified mosquitoes that carry a self-destruct gene to prevent them from reproducing. Trials in Africa have shown up to a 95% drop in malaria-spreading mosquito populations. Lancet Infectious Diseases, 2022. 6. Human organs grown in animals. Researchers have genetically modified pigs to grow human-compatible organs, hearts, kidneys, and livers, reducing transplant wait lists. Nature Communications, 2023. The first pig heart transplant to a human occurred in 2022. 7. Gene therapy restored sight. A therapy called Luxturna edits faulty genes in the retina and has restored vision to blind patients with genetic disorders. Ophthalmology, 2019. Yes, blind people can see again. Or 8. Designer pets are already a thing. You can now buy genetically engineered hypoallergenic cats, glowing fish, glowfish, and even micropigs. These aren't rumors, they're in online stores right now. 9. Cancer cells are being reprogrammed to kill themselves. Scientists are re-engineering immune cells, CAR T therapy, to hunt down and destroy cancer cells. Patients with blood cancers are already in complete remission thanks to this. Journal of Clinical Oncology, 2021. 10. CRISPR babies were born and the world panicked. In 2018, Chinese scientist He Jiankui used CRISPR to edit embryos, resulting in the birth of twin girls with altered DNA to resist HIV. This triggered global outrage and raised deep ethical alarms. MIT Tech Review, 2019. 11. Bananas with vaccines? Yes, it's happening. Engineered fruits like bananas and tomatoes are being designed to deliver vaccines against diseases like hepatitis B. Eat your vaccine instead of getting a shot? That's not sci-fi, it's in development. In 12, Woolly Mammoth 2.0 is coming. A biotech startup called Colossal Biosciences is using ancient mammoth DNA and gene editing to revive the woolly mammoth and bring it back to the Arctic. Jurassic Park? More like Mammoth Park. 13. Lab-grown meat is gene-engineered. Gene editing is used to grow real meat without animals. Chicken, beef, and fish made from cultured cells are already FDA approved in the US and served in restaurants. 14. Algae that eats CO2. Scientists have modified algae and plants to absorb more carbon dioxide, acting as living carbon sinks to fight climate change. Trends in Plant Science 2023. 15. Gene-edited babies that might be immune to Alzheimer's. New research is exploring how certain gene edits can reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases, potentially creating a generation of people resistant to Alzheimer's. And here's the part they don't want you to know. Every single one of these breakthroughs shows that we are no longer just observing nature, we are rewriting it. From healing incurable diseases to designing life itself, the age of natural evolution might be over. And the age of engineered evolution, it's already begun.